In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the multi-select and match feature in Zoho Books. Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie Smith and I am a Zoho Finance Partner at New Light Financial Solutions. Here at New Light Financial Solutions, we are on a mission to help demystify business finances as well as partner with as many business owners as possible to help them have a growing and more profitable business. Thank you so much for joining us on our YouTube channel today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Now let's dive in. There may be times when you're categorizing your transactions when you want to match two separate transactions to one other item that you have in your Zoho Books account. For example, I want to match these two withdrawals here to one expense that I put in. Maybe I've made two payments with using two different methods, and I want to match that to the one expense. Another example of when you might use this is you have a client make a payment of two payments towards one invoice and you want to match it to the one invoice. You can do that this way as well. So first of all, I want to point out that if you click on one and you click on this match transactions, there's nothing here to match. And if I click on the other one, again, there's nothing to match. So the problem here is the system doesn't have anything to match it to. So what you want to do is you'll see this multi-select and match feature up here. You'll turn that on, and then you'll notice the blue select options here. You just select as many transactions that you want to match to. So I'm going to pick these two because those are the two I'm looking for. It'll tell you that you've selected two. And then over here on the right, you'll see this message that says click here to refetch the matching transaction. So I'm going to click here. And look at that. Now I do have a match, and it's for what I'm looking for. And it's expense for $2,519. It matches the sum of these two. All you have to do now is just click the match button. And that's it. Now you know how to match two transactions to one other transaction in the system. I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching.